everyone. Today we have prepared an activity over the topic charging and discharging of capacitor. Here you can see we have made a model and a chart to briefly explain you about the charging and discharging of capacitor. So let's move to our first topic, that what is capacitor?
So basically, capacitor is a device that stores energy in form of electrical charge. So let's move on to the next topic, that is how does capacitor charge and discharge.
So here you can see we have written that charging of capacitor and discharging of capacitor. Let's move to charging of capacitor. It means when the battery is removed from the capacitor, the two plates hold a negative and a positive charge for a certain time. Thus the capacitor acts as a source of electrical energy and this time span is called charging time. Next we have discharging of capacitor. It means if the plates are connected to a load, the current flows to load from plate 1 to plate 2. The charges are due dissipated from both plates and this time is known as discharging time of capacitor. Here you can see by the working model also.
So here you can see that in this circuit we haven't provided with any external voltage. So whenever we will turn on the switches, the bulb will start glowing due to the charge which was present in the capacitor which was charged previously. So this shows the charging and discharging of capacitor.
Here you have seen the working of the charging and discharging of capacitor. Now let's do a focus on the equations. This is about this equation is of charging of capacitor and this equation is of transit state. And if we will talk about the graph, here you can see that 0.63 Q naught of peak was attained, which shows that in one time period 63% of charging was complete. And if I talk about discharging of capacitor, here you can see the equation of discharging, which is Q is equal to Q naught E minus T upon RC. And here you can see the graph also, which shows that 37% of discharging was completed in one time period. Now let's move to our factors part.
The factors are greater with the permeability of dielectric, greater with the capacitance. Capacitor is directly proportional to the area and inversely proportional to the distance. And now let's move to the applications of capacitor.
Basically, it is used in audio equipment, camera flashes, lasers, and magnetic coils, etc.
So this was our Artin integrated project which was on working of capacitor. Hope you appreciate our efforts on working this.
Thank you.
Thank you.